in Madison with Liberty Homes. This is our new Porter's Point community. Coming in from our private entryway is our 2-story living area with large windows and lots of light. In the entryway, we have an option to do some modern railing or craftsman railing. We've done a feature wall here with our herringbone pattern. Our townhomes come included with a kitchen island, large spacious kitchen with 42-inch upper cabinets. Also included, we have the mudroom bench here with a very spacious pantry in the kitchen. Also a powder room, half bath on the main floor. As we head upstairs, you'll notice these wide staircases so you don't feel cramped. We have an option to vault the ceilings on the whole upper level, so it really opens up the feel a lot. Coming into the master bedroom, the views out here are amazing. Another thing that sets us apart is we have a separate tub and shower included in the master bathroom. An optional double sink. Good sized bedrooms. Porter's Point at Westgate is a really central location. We have private entryways here, front-loaded garage, 2-car garage with an 8-foot garage door, large lot sizes here with private fenced backyard areas, and we hope to see you here February 9th.